Hey, history buffs and curious travelers, welcome back to Trek Motion. Today, we're diving into the heart of Berlin to explore a monument that stands as a stark reminder of a divided past, the Berlin Wall. Now, I know you probably learned about this wall in school, but there's nothing quite like experiencing its remnants firsthand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Trek Motion for more incredible historical explorations like this one. This iconic barrier, erected in 1961, was not built to keep invaders out, but to prevent East Germans from fleeing to the west. For 28 years, it stood as a symbol of the Cold War, separating families, friends, and an entire nation. But even in its darkest days, the wall became a canvas for artistic expression and resistance. If you're enjoying this journey through history, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Motion for more captivating stories from around the world. Our first stop is the East Side Gallery, a 1.3-kilometer stretch transformed into an open-air art museum, showcasing vibrant murals by artists worldwide. Here, you'll find the famous Brotherly Kiss, depicting Soviet and East German leaders locked in an embrace, a poignant symbol of the complex relationship between the two countries. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. While the East Side Gallery offers a vibrant and colorful perspective, the Berlin Wall Memorial paints a more somber picture. This site honors the lives lost in desperate attempts to escape to freedom and serves as a poignant reminder of the human cost of division. The Chapel of Reconciliation and the Window of Remembrance are particularly moving tributes to those who suffered under the wall's shadow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Trek Motion to support our channel and help us bring you more historical journeys like this one. As we wander through Berlin, we'll encounter remnants of the wall scattered throughout the city. The Brandenburg Gate, once a symbol of division, now stands as a symbol of unity and hope. Checkpoint Charlie, a former crossing point between East and West Berlin, serves as a chilling reminder of the tensions that once gripped this city. Hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Motion for more captivating stories from around the world. Each of these sites offers a unique glimpse into the past, a story of struggle, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. By exploring the Berlin Wall, we not only learn about history, but also gain a deeper understanding of the value of freedom and the importance of tearing down barriers that divide us. So, if you're planning a trip to Berlin, be sure to add a Berlin Wall walking tour to your itinerary. It's an eye-opening experience that will enrich your understanding of this pivotal moment in history. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to Trek Motion. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way.